Previously on Julian Barbosa.
We are going to be moving. We are looking for a new apartment. Good lighting. I really like this desk area. Like, I think I could just get rid of my desk that I have at home and just use this one. And I can put my books up here.
Damn, I like
jackets, coats, shoes, everything right here. I like the finishings.
Yeah, I do too. I actually plan on moving here
Huh?
pretty soon. Yeah, hopefully when I third building mine in January.
Dang, I think this is enough space. Holy cow. A nice little something to look at.
Right. And then if you wait for the second and third building, you can even face the lake. So.
Dang, I actually really like this.
Good, I'm glad. Yeah, it's really nice.
What is this, the washer and dryer over here? Or?
The first one should be a closet.
Uh-huh.
Is that right?
Yeah, closet.
Closet.
Cool.
This is actually your mechanical room, so this will be locked. You know, you won't have access to this when you move in. But you do have a washer and dryer right now. So right here is your
in here.
full-size stacked washer and dryer.
Got it. I like that.
All right, comes with included. Your restroom is gonna have access from the bedroom and outside. Right, but then here you'll have the view to the balcony and the courtyard.
Right. Cool. Let's check out the restroom.
This restroom is gonna have a double vanity, so 2 sinks, pretty big mirror, 2. All the one bedrooms come with this bathtub, this standard size right there, and then the closet, which is a generous size. You got pretty much enough space for anything.
Yeah.
His or hers, if you want to fill it up with anything you need.
And how much is this one?
This one is starting at, let me check, should be $17.35.
Mm-hmm. And all the ones with the yards, are those like 2 bedrooms or 1 bedrooms or how?
With the yards? No,
Yeah.
they're just on the first floor. So if you look here, right under, that one on the first floor is the same floor plan, but on the first floor.
Oh.
So some in the corners with the big ones, those are the 2 bedrooms. So you're gonna see pretty much the same finishes that you saw in the 1 bedroom.
Right.
The living room space is a little smaller, but obviously you gain a whole other bedroom.
Right.
Right. On this side is gonna be the guest bedroom and the bathroom. That's your washer and dryer that'll be side by side instead of stacked, like in the 1 bedroom. Your guest bathroom is gonna have 1 sink and then your standard bathroom as well. So same size.
Right.
Right across the hallway here is your secondary bedroom, so the guest bedroom. This one's really nice because it has a
I like this
view.
one. This is nice.
View of the pool, the lake, the courtyard.
Right.
We're just on that side. So
Yo, where does the sun like come up from? And because I'm just curious.
So the sun sets on this side over here.
So it comes from over there.
Yeah. So if you're rising this way, then it falls over here. Which
Got it.
sunsets here are beautiful because
Right.
you kind of see the whole sky.
Right.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Oh, this is a nice little view.
The secondary bedroom here is gonna have 2 closets. So one on this side, pretty spacious still.
This is pretty
for
spacious.
for being a smaller bedroom. And then another closet here.
Another one. Damn.
Plenty of space, yeah.
This is some good space.
Yeah. Across the living room here, you're gonna have your access to the balcony, and then this over here is gonna be your main bedroom. So a lot bigger. You notice, right? It's a lot more wide. The restroom is pretty standard. Just that you're gonna have a walk-in shower with the glass doors.
Dang, I like those little shows.
Yeah.
And how much is this one again?
This exact one is at 23.
23. So we just made it to the next tour stop. Rosa's first impressions of these in this area was that it was like a mini LA. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But let's see the vibes.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that?
Y'all saw the bad reviews. Let's see how bad it is.
The finishes of the apartment are gonna completely be the same. The light wood flooring, light gray.
Yeah.
We have the baseboards that are light gray as well, stainless steel appliances.
Yeah, that's really what we're looking for, like a brighter
Yes.
finish.
So
Yeah.
the only thing that's going to be different here is that this specific unit focuses more on the space in the living room and the kitchen area. So if you guys have a lot of entertainment, having friends over, this is definitely a
Better option.
for sure. A lot of cabinetry space in the kitchen.
Yeah,
100%.
a lot.
A lot. You do have the gas stove, gas range. We're probably one or two properties around the whole area that have gas ranges, which is really good.
Cool. I have a question. Do all, like, any of the other 2 units, is the sink always on the island, or is there any where it's on the wall?
Most of them are going to be on the island.
Cool.
Closet on the right hand side. A lot of cabinetry in the bathroom as well. This one does not have a double vanity sink. Some of them will.
Got it.
Shower, some of them are gonna have a setup.
Dang, this is a big freaking closet. You think it's the same?
If lighting is important to you, then you definitely want to be facing either east or west.
Right,
Depending
you
if
gotta be
wanna
facing the
have-
sun.
Yeah, if you want to have like the later time, you want to be facing towards that way. I will have something available probably next week for you to see. Now the bedrooms, they're pretty big. They fit up to this one, I believe, is a king.
Yeah.
And if you still notice, you have some side tables and you have a lot more space to play with.
Right.
You're gonna have the roll shades on every single unit. The carpet may change and vary.
Here's the
A
restroom.
lot of cabinetry space, a lot of storage space as well.
I feel like HEB is the only grocery store. Here, there's only a few HEBs, but
So in terms of the gym, it's open 24 hours. You have your ellipticals, your treadmills, and you have also the Smith machine, machines on the backside.
cool.
So this one's already leased. It does have a yard.
Wow.
This is an 1130 square feet. So you asked, right, in terms of the island, the fact that you don't have a split in the sink and it's in the island, that takes away a lot of space from the actual backsplash and having, prep space.
Right.
Stainless steel appliances is the same. The yard itself, you're gonna have different sizes. And I'm only showing you this because, again, you can always transfer to another unit
Yeah.
that does have a patio. But this is probably one of our largest.
Dang, this is a pretty.
And you'll probably have a question like, hey, is there any cars gonna be driving through here? No. All of this is gonna be completely enclosed and you have no cars driving by here or around the community in the backside. Why? Because it's a fire lane. About the same, these are gonna be a little bit bigger. The windows are gonna be a little bit different as well.
Here's this closet.
Closet space is a little minimal here, and then you also have a lot more cabinetry space in the other one. It's kind of the same. Washer and dryer. It's gonna be here. And then again, you have your coat closet in the front, which you'll have the same little details, just in a smaller area. This is less square footage, but then you still have the same amount of cabinetry space. This is the other type of carpet that I was talking about. That's a shag carpet. And then the bathrooms, they're about the same as well. We get a lot of compliments on our mirrors.
Yeah.
Especially with women that like to do their makeup because of the lighting. That's always a plus.
What do you think?
I think this one is smaller, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Is it too small? Nah, I do like the mirrors though.
Yeah.
They're really cool.
You have any questions in regards to this program? Oh yeah, also you got two pantries.
Oh, there's one
Definitely
right
you
here.
had one, but again, you have more cabinetry at the top.
Right.
Because when you walked in, that whole back wall had cabinets and
Right, there's the
the
whole
backside,
wall
yeah.
of cabinets. Got it.
So 424s are actually units available. This one's already leased. Living room is a lot bigger. You have this area here for your desk. And these are the little things that kind of change the whole style of the
Right.
apartment. Washer and dryer is going to be right here. If you do have visitors, you have the entrance to the bathroom here. It does have a stand-up shower, so that's a lot better. In terms of the space, you have the long
Double
sink.
sinks.
We have some more storage here. The bedroom is kind of the same. The only thing that I don't know, depending on what you have currently, the closet. It's a lot of space to work with, depending on what you have, but it's something that you would have to work with.
Yeah.
Do you have more right now? Of course, because you have that second bedroom.
Yeah.
What do you guys think about that closet? Is it doable?
A little small.
Oh, that bottom one?
The bottom one? That's
Oh,
the
down?
one
Or down?
That's the one that's available for your time frame,
Got it.
which is the 21st.
All right, let's do a little recap.
I don't think these apartments are gonna work for us, to be honest, because I wish you guys could have seen like the little details that the apartment has that just makes it seem like they're fake bougie, just like the apartments we're in right now. A lot of people don't know this, but Galleria, I feel like some apartment complexes are fake bougie, and the one we live in right now, it is. And I feel like these apartments are fake bougie as well. There was just like small little things that I know that later on we're gonna have a problem with.
For me, the closet space was like literally the worst.
Yeah.
I did like the white trims and the white finishing.
That's what we're looking for in regards of like colors, but that was just not gonna work for
Yeah,
us.
I think this apartment would be like a step back. Yeah, it just feels like we're gonna live where we're living, but just with white finishings.
Yeah, and I think they like their main thing. I feel like our restrooms, like the vanity thing. I feel like that's what they like
Focus on
and feel like that's what we're paying for. You know, like
that is true. I think the restroom is like
yeah.
yeah.
And I don't know. It's just a lot of things like like we're trying to get away from islands too, and I feel like those small little islands are not gonna work for us, especially because we need space to film.
Yeah.
And it's just not good. I don't think these apartments are, to be honest. So I was excited about these, to be honest, but now I feel like I don't know. It's just bad.
Bad vibes. Well, I guess we're gonna continue the mission and keep looking. Apartment hunting, apartment looking is.
But I'm glad we got these out
It's
the way.
stressful.
Like now we know, you know.
Mm-hmm.